That journey that we just went through, that was UX, and it wasn't that smooth. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about what is the difference between UX and UI. It seems like there's still people in this world that didn't get the message yet that UX makes a website useful while UI makes a website beautiful. So UX is all about user experience. It's about where do I place this button? What do I display on a page? What's the functionality? What's our information architecture in the first place? While UI is the look and the feel, and to really bring across the brand, the essence of the brand, the colors, the typography, and the look and feel that is communicated with it. So to make this video a little bit more practical, I thought I'm going to show you 3 examples. We're going to use Airbnb, we're going to use Airtasker, and we're going to use Menulog. So everyone knows Airbnb. Airbnb, you can book a room somewhere in the world. Airtasker is a platform where you can book a Airtasker. That means you can outsource tasks like shopping in IKEA, washing your laundry, cleaning your apartment, building your desk, that type of stuff. And Menulog is a service, I think mainly in Australia at the moment, where you can order food online. Let's jump into Airbnb and I'll show you the difference between UX and UI. So we're here on the home page of Airbnb. The most important thing on Airbnb is that you can easily pick a location and you can pick a date to then find places that you potentially will book for your holiday or your business trip. So the UX decision here was made to put the date and location picker at a very obvious spot. It's in the top left corner, and I'm sure the guys have done a lot of tests of where to place this picker, and that is the UX decision here. What is the UI here? On the date picker or location picker, for example, is the typography, the icons that have been used, and the font sizes, the border lines, how the date picker looks and feels. Okay, let's select the location, a date, and see how the site behaves. So the behavior of the site, the outcome of what we select right now will be UX. So basically it is defined what will be displayed. We're going to select London, and I would like to go in September on the 6th, and my end date will be the 28th. Now, the way the picker works right now, so that I can actually hover over it to select my end date. Again, this is UX. The way it looks is UI, and it supports the UX here. For example, having a background color, a green background color, makes it very obvious selecting a date. So we got UX says there should be a background color, and UI will apply the background color. So get it right. UX, UI, nowadays 2 different people. Where are we? See, and now this is where I'm actually confused, because I want to look for a place. This is what I know Airbnb for, and clearly they have widened their range of things to do on Airbnb. Now it's about experiences first rather than finding a place. So that for me is actually rather confusing. For me, that is a bad UX, user experience right now, because I'm looking for a place and instead I'm getting experiences first. So what I have to do now is, there's an extra click. I need to click on, guys, I'm really confused. I need to click on places, which is also wrong because it shows me walks. Okay, let's click on homes. Here we are. I finally got to where I want to be, is selecting a home. So this is user experience, that flow, that user journey that I just went through in order to get to the actual, I guess, ads for places to book, for apartments, houses, and so on. That journey that we just went through, that was UX, and it wasn't that smooth. Let's go to Airtasker. So as I said, if you don't know Airtasker is about outsourcing tasks. This could be anything physical, from cleaning your home, buying furniture, helping you move, painting your walls, but also digital services as well. So what we want to do here is have a look again. The main purpose is to post a task. So I come here to post a task. I want to find someone who will help me with buying furniture. What we can see here on the landing page, post a task again, is actually here on the top left corner, just as an Airbnb, which doesn't mean this is standard, but this obviously works well for both of these sites, and it is highlighted with red. So it's very obvious. Red is a warning color. It draws attention to wherever you place it on your page. So this is again UX. So UX would be here, find a very obvious place to put the action button of post a task. So they've done probably a lot of tests. It happens to be the best place for it is top left corner, and it is marked or highlighted with a dark red, which is also part of the Airtasker branding. The red itself would be UI, the typography, the font size, that's all UI, and the UX is where this button is placed and that this button has red. Is it UX or is it UI that it is a red button? UX would be make the button very obvious, and UI is let's use red. So if you now click on post a task, it opens straight away this task manager, I guess I just call it, and here you can enter your task and you write your description, and it's super easy. Buying furniture from IKEA. Here obviously it needs some text. Continue. 25 characters. I am looking for an Airtasker to buy me furniture from IKEA. Okay, let's see if that's enough. Here we go. We have to sign up. So I logged in now. Continue. Is it in person or online? So what type of Airtasker do you need? Suburb, and then you can select the date, and then if you continue you can put in your budget. So this process, again, the user flow, the user journey, let the user enter the details of what is the job, then the location, where takes this job place, and then the budget. That flow, that is UX, or also what to represent on the page itself. So you see here on the location, for example, it has, okay, is it in person or online, suburb, and the date. This order is UX. This has been tested, and the UI designer itself will apply the styles, the look and feel for the user interface. So all the colors that you see, all the typography, the icons and borderlines, that is all UI, user interface. Again, user interface is about making a website beautiful, while UX is about making a website useful. Number 3, let's do it quickly because this video is already in so long. I'm sorry guys, I'll try to keep it shorter. This is a new way of me doing things, and I'm testing. So also leave me a comment below and let me know if you find this video useful, what you like to see in future on this channel. I love to hear your feedback because I'm doing these videos for you, so if they're not valuable for you, what's the point in making them? So let me know what you want to see. Okay, we quickly go to number 3, which is Menulog. You can order food online. We're on the landing page or homepage right now, and you can see here one of the most important things for Menulog is to ask first what suburb, because that's user experience. You don't want to display bars, restaurants, cafes, whatever, takeaways that actually don't deliver to your suburb. That would be very bad for user experience. You pick a place, you select your food, and then on the last page it says they don't deliver to your suburb. The way how they have solved this problem is they display on the main page a search box where you can type in your postcode or your suburb to get all the places, restaurants that, let's just pick Darling Harbour, deliver to your area. And here we have now 62 restaurants to choose from. I can just simply click into one right now. I can click into one here and I will get their menu. So I can pick my dishes. On the left hand side, I can also select my type of dish. This again falls into the UX category, having this function that you can pre-filter the dishes based on your dairy requirements. That is UX. The way Menulog looks, the colors, the fonts, the background, the images, that is UI. It makes the website beautiful, while UX makes it very functional. I hope you got a better understanding the difference between UX and UI. Let me know what you think of this type of video, if it was useful, if you want to see more of that stuff where I explain specific things from UX or UI and use examples to make it more digestible, I guess. And also let me know in the comments what other type of stuff you want to see. I'm creating these videos for you, so if there's no value, there's no point for me making them. So let me know what you want to see. I love to read your comments, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more UX. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.